Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this my channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, you've not subscribed. Make sure you please give subscribe, like, and share. So yesterday, you all know this movement which we talked about. Euro JPY should give us a bullish move. I talked about the analysis yesterday, and I gave you some reasons why we'll be expecting such movement. So today we've actually gotten that bullish move that we did for the analysis we did yesterday. So tomorrow we would want to know where this Euro JPY will be moving. That is for the 10th of February. So when you take a look at this moment, there was a rejection. I talked about it right previously. There was a rejection at the same level. Same thing with this level, there was a rejection. And when you take a look at this, there's a rejection here. So basically, what I'm still expecting is this Euro JPY to give us a bullish move. Now down to this 4-hour time frame. Take a look at this 4-hour time frame. What can you see right on this 4-hour time frame? You can see that price is ranging, and you all know one of the sources or the best rules of trading, and you should not go against that rule, is trade what you see and not what you think. That is one. And also trade with the trend. We all know you have uptrend move, downtrend move, and a ranging market move. So clearly this price is ranging. So guys, what we are going to do is also range with it. That is one, and this is exactly what we are seeing. So since this price is ranging, then go ahead and range with it. So all we want to do is actually take this buy, take out this level, right? I think in the level of 141 or close to it, a level of 141.850, or close to that level. Like I said, a level of 141.850 or close to that level. So we would want to see this Euro JPY to actually hit that level. And again, when you take a look at this your JPY index, you go to your 4-hour time frame, you clearly can see that this price is also ranging. What can you see? We are having a drop, and this drop will be going straight to the support level. So if this drop will be going straight to the support level, any other price or any other currency we are trading to JPY should give us a bullish move. So you all know, once there's a drop on JPY, any trade you are trading to JPY should go up. So this is what we'll be expecting on euro to JPY. So this euro will go bullish since we are speculating a drop on this JPY. That is what I have for you. So by the way, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to my Patreon channel, I'm going to put a link in the comment section below. On that channel, what I'm trying to do is put out high probability trade that I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So far this week, we've traded about 5, and 4 of these 5 has actually gotten to our targets. One of the trade we took this week was AUD card. Another one was Euro AUD. The third one was natural gas. We even took that trade yesterday. Today we took the fourth one, which is US30. So you can see that 4 of those trades has actually gotten to our target. So it remains one more, which is WTI. We are very much likely to hit our targets on Friday, or we will continue that movement next week on Monday. So if in case you're interested, check the link below in the comment section. Subscribe to my Patreon channel. By the way, I'm also going to put a link to the trade we took this week, so you can actually go and watch it and confirm and become one of my Patreon subscribers.